All right, so we are T-1 week from the house being done. So we're gonna give you a quick tour, show you everything that's happened. There's a lot that's happened since we saw you last time, but like looking at this, they're telling me we're gonna be done in 1 week. I can't imagine it's done, but like they're very confident that by the next video that you see in 1 week from now, we will be done. So let's check everything out.
Okay, so I'm sure Ryan told you already that we're almost done with the house. So the last time that you saw, a lot has changed. And I'd say the biggest change is in the kitchen over here. So let's go check it out. All right, so we have cabinets now, which we did not have the last time. We also just this last week got the countertops installed and the backsplash. And we've never really had backsplash in our house. It's like the thing we always forget about. So we're really happy with how that turned out. These light fixtures were also installed last week, and those were picked out by Karen of Homestyle Interiors, which we're working with to have like our living room and bedroom designed. So we're really excited about that. All the appliances are here. They're just not installed yet. There's, floors have to go down, then they'll put those in.
Man, this is pretty much it for in here. Yeah. We got cabinets.
We got cabinets.
We got backsplash. We got a sink.
We got a sink. We got these easy close drawers.
So before we were able to do obviously any of this renovation, we had to get architectural drawings. One of my recommendations for a podcast that I'm on, Big Stud Sales, my co-host of that recommended George Hobel of Hobel Designs to basically help us draw out this whole thing. So there was a huge wall here that separated this kitchen from the living room, and we said that is a major thing that we want to take down. We don't want it separating the living room from the kitchen. We want a big open space. Since the ceiling has trusses and the stuff was touching the trusses, we had to make sure that there was no load bearing, all that kind of stuff. So George was the one that helped us get all of this design together to make sure that what we wanted in a house was actually feasible for us to be able to do.
After George came up with the design, showed us, we were happy with it, we had to find a builder to do this. So we're actually working with a custom home builder, Lake Mist Homes, and interestingly, they don't normally do renovations. I think we might be their very first one, but Aaron Feldman, who runs Lake Mist Homes, I have a professional relationship with him, so I already knew about the work they do, know a lot. I have really happy clients that they've had, so I kind of asked, or begged very nicely that they please give our house a shot of renovating, and it's been going really well so far. I really couldn't ask for anything better, so I mean, as long as we finish out the way we've started, I think we're gonna be in good shape.
So the only thing, we're in the master bedroom, the only thing that we have done in here since last time you guys saw, because we showed you that we did the door over here, but the only thing that's been done in here is the paint, and they removed the popcorn ceiling. So they did the paint on the popcorn ceilings, painted the walls, but in the bathroom, that's a bathroom.
That is a bathroom.
In the bathroom, there's been a lot that's been done. So let's go in there and check that out.
So this is our giant bathroom. Just kidding. It's a small house. We knew that. That's why we got rid of the tub. And now we have the big old shower. We're super excited about it. They put in the fixtures this week. The tile's been done for a little while. I don't know if we've shown that yet. But the tile's completely done everywhere. The countertops were put in last week along with the kitchen countertops, which we actually picked the same thing. We just liked it for both. And then more lights that Karen's picked out for us. Those are going up next week. I think they look really good with everything else, like all the other finishes in here. So this one's really close to being done.
So everything that's been done in the house so far is, really since last time, all the fun stuff that's been done. We have the island is done. We have countertops. We have all of the plumbing done. So sinks, the hardware,
Your throne. I forgot about that.
The poo-poo spot, that is done. I'm not sure if it's usable. I haven't christened it yet. That is coming soon, and I probably will not let you guys know. The shower has everything completed as far as drain, shower head. No, we still have the door that.
Oh, yeah.
So it's going to be a glass frameless shower. So that's still left. So yes, we have supposedly 1 week left. We're T-minus 1 week out from this renovation, and they still have hardwood floors, the front door, the appliances need to get installed, the electrical needs to get finished, the frameless shower door needs to get put in, and that's it for the main stuff. Other than that, it's just punch list stuff, and they feel very confident that they are going to get done in the week that we have remaining.
That will be in by Christmas.
We'll be in by Christmas. So we're excited. I don't want to say that I'm not optimistic because they have followed through on everything that they've said. But when you look at this, it does not look like a house that's going to be completed in 1 week. But they know what they're doing, not me. So I will trust them and be excited when it's finished.
Apparently it all comes fast and furious at the end anyways, though.
I mean, the last 2 weeks it's been nuts. So we're excited. We can't wait. Once this thing is completed, the house part, we're still working with our designer, Karen, to get all of the furniture, the decor, and all of that stuff done. So once the house is completed, we then have another project?
Yeah.
Another phase.
Yeah, because we got to be able to, like sit down and sleep in a bed.
Yeah. So we have another phase of our renovation coming as well. So there's still a lot to do, but we're excited. And we hope you guys have enjoyed following this process. The next time you see this thing, the house will be done.
I don't know about done.
It'll be functioning. Yeah. It won't be decorated beautifully.
We won't have done the outside paint yet.
Yeah, there's still a lot of things that we're gonna do, but from a hiring a contractor standpoint, we will be done. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more stuff. Comment below with something that you have not seen around here or a question that you have if you want us to show or explain how it's done. And other than that, hit subscribe. So next time we put out a video, you can follow along. That's it. So we appreciate you guys following along, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.